Previously on day 3 of the Almaty solo backpacking journey.
I know you wanna take it all too far. Stumble through the dark, tripping to the stars. I know you want the dreams to come to life. I know just what you like, don't be surprised. I can read your mind, yeah, I can read your mind. I know what you like, 'cause I like it too. You don't gotta say what you.
So it's time for lunch and we all have paid around 3500 tenge. Well, not yet paid, we will pay. So it's around 700 rupees and उसमें I think कुछ rice sort of thing है and dessert and I think there will be tea and उसके अलावा भी something will be there. So let's see. अभी के लिए I think this is dessert which has already come. बाकी देखते हैं कब क्या क्या आता है. So this is my first time having a traditional Kazakh meal. You have salad, which is a staple in every Kazakh meal, and then you have chak-chak. Chak-chak, as I know, is from Tatarstan. And yes, she is our encyclopedia here. And this is lepeshka, as we say. Lepeshka, one of my favorite breads ever since I've come to Kazakhstan. Nice bread, and I think you might have seen this in my other vlogs as well, if my memories goes right. Next thing on the table, we have this plov. But since I'm a vegetarian, okay. So this is like, these are some dumplings, meat dumplings, right? So these are meat dumplings, and since I'm a vegetarian, so I got vegetarian plov, which is looks like a regular rice. TK, we'll try. And this one is, I expected it to be more crunchy, but it isn't. But I think this is ghee over it.
Yeah. It's just fresh.
Okay, but this one is nice. The sweet thing is nice, and what the below? Dude, this cat is making a cameo, and this cat reminds me. You can follow me on Instagram called Schrodinger ka Billa. By the way, let's come to the salad. Salad so far so good, pretty good salad, no doubt. अभी ग्रेजुएशन हुए मतलब 5 जून को कितने दिन हुए हैं एंड आई एम हियर चेकिंग द ब्लड प्रेशर. अभी आई चेक द ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ दिस जेंटलमैन एंड देयर वाज दिस लेडी जिनका मैंने 2 बार चेक किया. शी इज ऑन अ हायर लेवल ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर. तो
You couldn't check my pulse.
अरे आई कुड नॉट चेक योर पल्स बट your pulse was not even able. I was not able to palpate your pulse. Yeah, your skin so soft. Food 3,500 tenge, not at all worth the price, but ठीक है experience है. It's a one-time experience. Okay. And I think I found a piece of meat, so that was the biggest disappointment. I won't recommend having meal when you are, on a one-day tour. Not at all. 600 रुपए पानी में गए, छपाक. Anyways, now we are going to Kayindi Lake. We used to call it Candy, but now this white leopard lady has told us that it is not candy. It is what is it then when you guys just keep singing Jimmy Jimmy? It's racist as well. So we are going to Kayindi Lake now. I have been transferred into 2 small buses, and we have our Indian guys from Almaty sitting here, and one of the girls is sitting just beside me. This is Samal. Sorry. Roasted.
Emotional damage.
Sorry. But one of the girls from Almaty sitting behind me, Anish, Opi, and our friends from Almaty again. We are off-roading in a bus. एक वैसी छोटी सी बस है, ऊपर से आधे इंडियंस है. ये देखो क्या हो रहा है. मतलब घंटा किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. सारे अलग अलग जगह अपनी अपनी जगह बैठे, जमीन पे, ऊपर. अरे यार, यार I call this song the racist song of Kazakhstan. ये देखो सारे इंडियंस ऑकवर्ड हुए पड़े उधर भी किसी को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्या करे इस गाने पे अब. अरे देवा ओ भाई. भाई राजस्थान रोडवेज में ऑफ रोडिंग हो गई. So yeah, we are at the second location. I think this is the second location. Right now you cannot see it because now we have to do 2.5 kilometers of trek. But अपने पास time 90 minutes का ही है. In the 90 minutes of time which we have, we are 11 people can fit in one taxi, right? Okay. Cost for the round trip is 1,000 tenge, and I mean I've been paying 9,500 tenge. I feel that's worth the money, but उसके बाद that 3,500 tenge का loss with the food, पेट भर गया but मज़ा नहीं आया and it was not worth the money. But now if it is 1,000 tenge, I think it's fine, yeah. Like.
Now it is a video. Hello everyone.
Chippy chapa chapa ruby ram.
As you can see, this is not cola, and this is not water, and this is not a lemonade.
If you know what she means.
That's why I'm laughing. That's why I'm bullying.
We have been given 90 minutes at this place, and she's here to gate crash this video again. But yeah, we have been given 90 minutes to this place. 30 minutes have passed by. Everyone has gone up, but we are still here waiting for the cab.
Racism.
Racism is everywhere, from Jimmy to this leopard lady to everywhere. So first half of the journey done. It was like hardly a 5-minute drive, but by what a drive that was. That was not a road. You cannot call it a road at all. Here we had taken the taxi so that we do not need to walk. क्या फायदा that even after taking the taxi we have to walk. That was not expected. But now here we are walking uphill again. Yaar, Almaty has been completely uphill, downhill. Man, I was not ready for this. After a long walk and a trek, we are finally at the Kaindi Lake, ladies and gentlemen. Boy, oh boy. This place is known for the impression that trees grow in a reverse order, and like you can see, you can at least feel कि यार the green part of the trees, which generally grows upwards, is growing downwards, but there is some other thing, some other logic is behind it.
It's a video. That's a video.
But let me. Like, this was actually a nice shot. The way you did the camera.
Yes. I'm starting to forget English. We got a new photographer here. We got a new model here.
Yes, I wish I could agree.
And I'm giving drunk uncle vibes.
Pretty tight.
What's your name?
Ronak.
Ronak.
Ronak
Okay,
Singh.
Samal.
Saman.
Yeah. Like the water.
Yeah. You'll take a picture.
Your comment. Oh, sorry.
Wide angle and portrait.
Where is the camera? We have another photographer taking pictures. Whee!
So, we are done with Kandy Lake and we are heading back. But again, this is an uphill climb. So, let's do it. It's like a repetition of yesterday. But no, we have to do that. वापस जाना है, मुझे घर जाना है. मेरा हो गया. 2 दिन मेरी टांगों की बात लग गई. I'm screwed. I'm screwed AF. If I heard this kid correctly, Paka. If I heard this kid correctly, he is 6 years old and he's just traveling on his own. Why? He has been climbing with me for the past 2-3 minutes and there is no sign of strain or thakaut in him. But here I am. भाई हफ्ते जाने के लगी लेकिन अब थोड़ा चलो अब डाउनवर्ड क्लाइंब भी है. नहीं डाउनवर्ड क्लाइंब थोड़ी होता है, क्या होता है? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. ठीक है चलो चलते हैं. So yeah, we are back at our base. This is our bus which carried us. So क्या कहते हैं, I am tired and my phone is out of battery, so I'll just end this vlog here itself. The song recommendation as usual is in the description. She is here to sabotage my vlog again.
So drunk. Hello, everyone. Look at this puppy. Bro. Ignoring us. Woo! Take it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, cool. So back in action. Yeah, I've covered him. So yeah, I'll end this vlog here itself. I'll see you in the next one with day 4 with more adventures, and the solo backpacking continues with Anish and Samal. Let's go. Goodbye.